Hello, everyone. Today, I'm reviewing the Bank of America checking account, going over its main features, benefits, and potential downsides so you can decide if it's the right fit for your everyday banking needs. Bank of America is one of the biggest banks in the United States, so its checking account comes with a lot of convenience. But there are also some important things to keep in mind before signing up. Bank of America offers a few different checking account options, but the most common is the Advantage banking account. This account actually comes in three versions: Advantage Safe Balance, Advantage Plus, and Advantage Relationship. Safe Balance is a basic, no-paper checks account designed to help you avoid overdraft fees. Advantage Plus is the standard account most people choose, and it includes the option for paper checks and overdraft protection. Advantage Relationship is the premium option with extra perks, including better rates on savings and fee waivers, but it requires higher balances. A big strength of having a Bank of America checking account is accessibility. The bank has thousands of branches across the country and an even larger ATM network, so it's easy to find a location or machine wherever you are. If you travel a lot domestically, that can save you money and hassle compared to smaller banks. Plus, their mobile app is one of the highest-rated banking apps out there, with features like mobile check deposit, Zelle transfers, bill pay, and spending analysis tools. You can easily manage your account online or on your phone without having to visit a branch unless you want to. When it comes to fees, Bank of America checking accounts do have monthly maintenance charges, but you can get them waived in several ways. For example, with the Advantage Plus account, you can avoid the fee by having a qualifying direct deposit each month, maintaining a certain minimum daily balance, or being a student under 25. The Safe Balance account has a lower monthly fee, but it can also be waived if you meet certain requirements. Still, if you don't qualify for these waivers, the fees can add up, so it's worth making sure you meet the criteria before you open an account. One thing to note is overdraft fees. Bank of America has reduced these in recent years, and they offer overdraft protection if you link another account, but you'll still want to keep track of your spending to avoid unexpected charges. The Safe Balance account avoids this issue entirely by simply declining transactions that would overdraw your account. Another benefit is the Preferred Rewards program, which can really enhance your checking account if you also have savings or investment balances with Bank of America or Merrill. You can earn perks like fee waivers, higher savings interest rates, and even credit card bonuses if you qualify for one of the tiers. Overall, a Bank of America checking account is a strong choice if you want nationwide branch access, a feature-rich mobile app, and the ability to keep multiple financial products under one roof. However, it's not the best option if you're looking for completely fee-free banking without needing to meet specific requirements, and it doesn't offer the high interest rates you might find at online banks. It's ideal for people who value convenience and a big bank experience, especially if you can take advantage of the Preferred Rewards program to maximize your benefits. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.